Namaste. Welcome to the RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. Today we will start the part 5th of chapter 8, comparing quantities of class 8. In the previous parts we have discussed the concepts related to this chapter. In this part we will again take some questions related to our previous topics. So this question is from exercise 8.2, question 3rd. This question is also based on the concept of profit and loss. So the question is, a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them at a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So total cost price of 80 articles is given. Profit percentage is also given. Profit percentage is 16%. This means if the cost price is 100, then he is earning a profit of rupees 16 on 100. You have to find the selling price of one article. Okay. So first of all, cost price of 80 articles. Cost price of 80 articles is given. This is given rupees 2400. So I can easily calculate the cost price of one article because we want to find the selling price of one article. So cost price of one article will be 2400 divided by 80, that will be rupees 30. So cost price of one article is rupees 30. Now he is earning a profit of 16%. So amount of profit will be 16% of 30. I can solve this to get the amount of profit. 16% of 30. This will be 16 multiplied by 3, 48 by 10. So that will be rupees 4.8. Now selling price is what? Cost price plus profit earned. So selling price of the article will be 30 plus 4.8, that will be rupees 34.8. In this question only we have to find the selling price of one article. So this is the selling price of one single article. If someone asks you total selling price or selling price of 80 articles, then you can multiply this value with 80. Next question. A VCR and TV bought for rupees 8000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% of on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on whole transaction. So the cost price for the shopkeeper is 8000 for both the things, VCR and TV. He is selling the VCR at 4% loss and TV at a profit of 8%. We have to find the total profit or loss in this transaction. So firstly, we can find out the loss in selling the VCR. For this, cost price of VCR is given. Cost price of VCR is 8000 rupees. Now on selling this VCR, loss of 4%. So amount of loss will be 4% of 8000. Okay. Loss is 4%. So 4% of cost price, that is 8000. So the amount of loss will be 80 multiplied by 4, that is 320. Okay. So selling price of VCR will be cost price minus loss. So cost price is 8000 and loss is 320. So we use the formula of selling price, that is cost price minus loss. So 8000 minus 320, this will be 7680. Now second thing, on selling TV, he is getting a profit of 8%. So again, cost price of TV is also 8,000. Amount of profit will be 8% of this 8,000. So I can calculate 8% of 8,000. That will be 80 into 8 rupees 640. Now again the selling price of television. Selling price will be cost price plus profit. So 8,000 plus 640. This will be rupees 8,640. So in this way we have calculated the individual selling price of both the things. Now the combined cost price, or we can say cost price of both the items. Cost price of both the items is rupees 16,000. So I can write total cost price. Total cost price will be rupees 16,000. Okay. Next, total selling price. Total selling price will be selling price of VCR plus selling price of television. That is 7,680 plus 8,640. So add both the selling prices of VCR and television. So we get 0, 4 and 8, 12, 7 and 6, 13 and 16,320 is our total selling price. Now we can see that selling price is greater than the cost price. So the shopkeeper is getting a profit here. So the amount of profit will be what? Here the amount of profit will be selling price minus cost price. That will be rupees 320. Now we have to find the profit percent on the whole transaction. So the amount of profit is 320 and total cost price is 16,000. As we know, profit percentage is always calculated with cost price. So the formula of profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100. So in this complete transaction, profit of rupees 320, total cost price is 16,000 into 100. So cancel this zeros with zeros. 32 divided by 16. So the total profit percentage is 2%. So we can say on selling both the television and VCR, total profit is 2%. Another question from this exercise 8.2, question number 10. This question is based on value added tax, that is VAT. So the question is, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. So you have to find the price before the amount of VAT was added in this price. So VAT means value added tax. So suppose the original price or the initial price of this product is X. So we can assume that original price, or you can write initial price of this product be rupees X. So how we got this 5,400? Original price, or I can say the price of hair dryer plus amount of VAT gives this amount 5,400. So original price is X. VAT is 8% of X. 8% of price, that is X, gives 5,400. Solve this equation. X plus 8 by 100 into X gives 5,400. Okay, we can cancel 8 and 100 by 4, 2 and 25. So what we got? We got X plus 2x upon 25 gives 5400. Now we have to find the value of x from this equation. So take LCM. Here the denominator is 1. So LCM will be 25. 25 will be multiplied with the numerator of this fraction, that is x. 25 into x gives 25x plus 2x will be written here equals to 5400. So 25x plus 2x is 27x by 25 equals to 5400. We have to calculate the value of x. So by cross multiplication we can write 5400 into 25 divided by 27. So directly we can cancel 27 and 54. So here the answer will be 200, and 200 into 25 is 5000. So the price before VAT is what? This price will be rupees 5000. So in this way we can solve the question related to discount and VAT. If in this question discount is given in item, then we will subtract the amount of discount from the price. And if VAT and sales tax is there, then we will add the amount of VAT in the price. So namaste, thank you. That's all in this part.